In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Notion. Many of us use Notion as a go-to tool for organizing our thoughts, projects, and even day-to-day tasks, and integrating images can really bring your pages to life. Whether you're setting up a portfolio, a journal entry, or just adding some visual flair to your notes, knowing how to adjust image sizes can make all the difference in ensuring your content looks perfect. First things first, let's dive into the workspace where you have your image inserted. So, you've got your page open in Notion, and you're probably already familiar with how images can elevate your layout. Find the image you want to resize and click on it. You'll notice when you click on the image, it gets surrounded by a faint border, which indicates that it's selected. This is the area you'll be working with. Next, let's focus on the edges of the image. Hover your cursor over the left or right edge of the image. As you do this, you'll see a resize handle appear. This is simply a vertical line that becomes visible at the edge you've hovered over. It provides a simple and intuitive visual cue that the image is ready to be adjusted. Now, with the resize handles visible, click on the handle itself. This is your starting point for resizing. Your cursor should change slightly, indicating that it's ready to drag the image. You can now click and hold the left mouse button, and then drag the handle inward if you want to make the image smaller, or outward if you'd like to enlarge it. As you drag, you'll notice the image adjusting in real time to meet your specifications. It's helpful to keep your eye on the surrounding content as you resize. This helps ensure that your new image size complements the rest of your text and elements on the page. This attention to detail will result in a more cohesive and visually pleasing layout. Once you've adjusted to the size you're satisfied with, simply release the mouse button. This action will set your image to its new size, and you'll be left with a perfectly sized picture that aligns with your creative needs. It's as straightforward as that. Keep in mind, if the resized image isn't quite what you had in mind, don't worry. You can repeat this process as many times as you need until you find the size that works just right for your page. Resizing images can be a small task, but it has a huge impact on the aesthetic and functionality of your Notion pages, and that's how you resize an image in Notion. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just starting out, mastering these small tasks is crucial for keeping your workspace organized and looking great. Happy organizing, and thanks for watching.